Are you getting the sqlceme35.dll error after the SQL Server Compact Edition v3.5 update? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's restore that orphaned library and fix your app. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for sqlceme35, you can find a diagnostic tool for a thorough environment check. This is the sqlceme35, the core localized storage engine for SQL Server Compact Edition 3.5. It facilitates the localized management of relational data stored in .sdf files. It provides high-speed, localized in-process SQL execution and data storage for desktop applications and mobile-to-desktop ports. If missing, applications utilizing local SQL storage for user data or manifests will fail with a database engine initialization failed error. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Because sqlceme35.dll is a verified system file, we need to run an integrity check. Open command prompt with administrative rights and execute the sfc/scan now command to refresh your core Windows library automatically. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including sqlceme35, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A brief word of caution, not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Manual intervention with sqlceme35.dll is dangerous because it can overwrite newer, secure versions of the file with older, vulnerable ones. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. To minimize background load and improve stability, the diagnostic kit linked in the description includes sqlceme35 documentation. If you've regained access to sqlceme35 thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.